In pursuance of said instructions of the LGNCD Department, all the assets, liabilities, and instructions were taken over by the respective city, district governments, and all the posts of said category of employees were stand sanctioned on the schedule of establishments of the respective city district governments. First up, the LGNCD department wide circular letter dated 5 January 2004 also clarified that all the health and education staff of erstwhile urban local councils was shifted to the respective districts wide. This department's letter dated 25 June 2002 first up, the posts were abolished from the schedule of establishment of TMA's successor of erstwhile urban local councils and were created at the district governments. First up, in the former system, seniority lists were maintained at the local council level. First up, education and health staff from various local councils have been accumulated at each district. First up, the seniority lists shall now be maintained as per the erstwhile fashion. First up, for that purpose, all such staff at a district would be considered as formed by smaller groups, each group representing a particular parent local council, with promotions, move over, and grant of selection scales considered and made within that group, as would be done if they were posted in their respective local body under the previous system. First stop, this arrangement would continue till such time that the cadre is phased out. First up, all service matters including promotions in respect of this category of employees shall now be decided at the district. First up, competent authorities for appointment, selection, promotion committees have already been specified wide this department's notification dated 8 April 2002. First up,